Hi guys, welcome to the short video about how to repair a corrupted video file like an MP4 which cannot be properly played with the free video LAN or VLC video player. It's not only a player, it can do much more, and so here's the tutorial how to do that. Of course you have to download and install this thing. You can get it from videolan.org/VLC or go to the website and then go to VLC download and then download it from here. It's absolutely free, no virus, no nothing, so it's definitely highly recommended to download and use this. By the way, this is my default video player and I think most of the people are using that. So this is how to use it for repair. Here I have the corrupted video from my phone. For some reason it didn't properly record just the beginning. When I play this here, you can see how this is behaving. I mean, it's starting and it's actually supposed to be 3 minutes long and it plays for a little bit, but when I go here a little bit further in the timeline, it stops immediately. And also when I want to convert it, for example, into another format, let's say I'm trying here the file converter, which usually is really good. It starts here and I was hoping that it could handle that, but in a sudden it stops and it can't do anything. And this is also what usually happens when you want to use this video. That now in a video editor it will just say the video is broken. So we have to do something with that, and here comes the VLC into play. So we start the VLC video player without a video. Just click on the program icon and we start it. Then we go to media, click on convert. And now we add it here either by dragging or just clicking on the plus. So we have this file here, we double click and click on convert save. And now you have a couple of options. We keep it on convert and now we can choose the destination format. I mean, most of the people probably want to go with the H.264, which is pretty much still standard, and MP3. I think this is highly recommended. Of course, you can also do some other formats, but I think this is really good. And then we have to select the destination file. We can browse here and, for example, give a similar file. Here I'm taking the old one and just type new. And so we click on save and then start. When we refresh with F5, we can see, I think it's finished and stopped. And now we can also see that the part which it has been recovering is just about 10% of the full video, and so we don't have full 3 minutes but only a very small part. But this is something which we can now use in a video editor and we don't have to create everything. I mean, I was hoping for a larger part. Here it's only very few, but maybe it still can help. And you can see I can just double click and it will play whatever is possible and it won't come up with any error or so. It will just play it, whatever it has been able to recover, and finish normal. Yeah, I would say that's it. Usually the best option which you have still in 2023. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or better solutions, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.